Hello, 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 and welcome to Tips for Your Voice. Today we're going to talk about posture. You might not think it's really important, but I wrote this in my book, shameless plug. I Will Not Grow Weary. It's on Amazon, and this is about posture. It's on page 113. Your posture is your approach to life as well as your singing. I've got something happening. I'm up and I'm ready for life. That's what you need when you're singing. Also, if you're going for notes and you want to have them come out really big, now you can sing anyway, okay? But if you really want those high notes, those hard notes, those phrases, and if you want to be able to take a nice deep breath, you've got to keep the ribs up. If you're down here, you've locked the abs, you're taking the breath, you're stuck. You can't release this area. Here, you're up, you can come out, yay! You can support your notes, okay? Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Bye-bye.